Alright, so today we're going to be learning about the ambiguous case, and you have this really strange foldable. Um, Yesterday, or a couple days ago, we learned about angle side angle or angle angle side. Basically, you're given two angles, and that means you can really easily find the third angle. However, what happens when you only have one angle? Well, what this is called is, well, you always have to have three pieces of information, or else you can't solve anything. But what if we have a side-side angle? Like, say you're given a triangle, ABC, and you're given these side lengths and, an angle over here, 44 degrees. Well, then what? What do you do? Well, you can't find these angles, so that's what we're going to learn today. Now, you may be asking, what happens if the angle's in between these two? Well, then that's a bad situation. Okay, you can't have side angle side and be able to solve it. And you'll learn why here in a little bit. But the ambiguous case is called side-side angle. That's where you're given two sides and the angle right after that. Ambiguous, this word in case you didn't know, means unclear. When something is just a little bit vague, that's what ambiguous means. So side-side angle triangles are ambiguous. They're a bit unclear, a bit vague, and there's some mind stretching that's going to happen in this lesson. So the first thing I want you to do is cut that off. Oops. Okay, and don't rip your foldable like I just did. Yay, I ripped it. Okay, so anyways, throw that away. And now we're actually going to fold these corners in. So it is a foldable. We're going to fold them in so it makes a little diamond shape. And there we go. Okay. So go to step number 1. And on the outside, we're going to write that 1 determine known ratio. And then we'll talk about it. Okay, so 1, we're going to determine the known ratio. So we're going to read through the info that we're given. We're going to see that we'll have two sides and an angle. And when it says pick out the known ratio, that means where you have both the angle and the side length. So in this piece of trash I just threw away, notice that we have angle A and we have side A. This is called the known ratio because law of sines is all about ratios. You've got A over sine of A. So if you have one ratio, then you can do something with that. Just a moment. This is awesome. Yes. I would like him to come back. All right, thank you. Bye. Okay, sorry about that. I forgot that I was on camera. All right, so we've got our known ratio. So let's draw a little bit of that here in our foldable. So I'm leaving this gap because we don't know if this is going to create an acute angle or an obtuse angle, hence ambiguous case. But you'll always have a known angle and a matching known side, and you'll also have some other random side over here. So you've got your known ratio A to A. So first, pick that out. And down here, we're leaving this blank because it could be obtuse or acute. We don't know. And with this known ratio, here's kind of another visual for you. A over sine of A. So it's going to give us one part of our proportion.